Hello, my name is Jason Taylor. I help development teams deliver their project requirements faster and with less risk by automating build and delivery processes. In this course on the Jenkins build server, I will introduce you to the foundational aspects of Jenkins and related concepts using a step-by-step approach, with the end result being a complete and automated build system all the way through deployment. This course will feature Jenkins on the Windows operating system, but all the main principles and most of the demos are equally applicable. Being a bootcamp on Jenkins, there are just 4 major objectives for this course. First, you will learn the key concepts related to Jenkins and build automation. This includes understanding how Jenkins works and the benefits it provides. Second, we will build a complete end-to-end automated build system, starting off with our source code in GitHub, scheduled compilation, quality analysis, artifact publishing, and finally deploying a project to an application server. Third, as we build the automated build system, you will master the essential aspects of Jenkins. This includes learning and understanding the user interface and how Jenkins is designed, how to create, configure, execute, and maintain projects, the maintenance, integration with other tools, and extending Jenkins using plugins. Finally, how to enable security in Jenkins to ensure users see only their projects. All 3 aspects above combined will provide you an excellent starting point to apply to your projects or the ones that you support. In order to accomplish the course objectives, we start off with the introduction and core concepts. After a good foundation has been applied, we walk through the installation process, including any related tools and their configuration. Once everything is all set up and ready to go, we will dive into Jenkins with our first projects, getting to know Jenkins as we go along. A major component to the modern build system is automated unit testing and code quality analysis. We will hook up Jenkins to several tools for testing and quality, and then use those tools to affect the build status for our projects. Once we are confident we have a good, solid project build, we will configure Jenkins to publish those build artifacts for other systems to use, and then deploy those artifacts to a running application server.